Hi everyone! In this video, I want to show you how to make these beautiful leaf earrings. This is Manori's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this sample, I used a lace yarn and a 0.85mm hook. And for the tutorial, I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Start with one magic ring around the finger. Three chains and 11 double crochet in this ring. Now pull the thread and make the ring tight and closed. Now in this third chain, one slip stitch to close up the first row. Now the second row. Start with 3 chains. In the same stitch, 1 double crochet, and in each of the next stitches, 2 double crochet. Keep this going, and overall we have 24 double crochet stitches and 1 slip stitch to close up this row. Now the third row, 1 chain, in the same stitch 1 single crochet, skip 1 stitch, in the second one 7 double crochet stitches. Skip 1 stitch, in the second one 1 slip stitch. Again skip 1 stitch, in the second one 7 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch, the second one 1 slip stitch. Now do this 5 times. Now in each of the 3 next stitches 1 slip stitch. So overall we did 3 slip stitches. And now make 8 chains, Skip 2 chains. From the third chain on, in each chain, 1 slip stitch. In the same stitch, 1 slip stitch. Now in each of the next 2 stitches, 1 slip stitch. And this is a small twig we made for our leaf. Now here we are in the 4th row. As you can see, we have 7 stitches on this curve. In each of the first 4 stitches, make 1 single crochet. In the 5th one, 2 half double crochet, and 3 chains, and 1 slip stitch, and 1 half double crochet. Now in each of the last 2 stitches, the 6th one and the 7th one, 1 single crochet. And in this hollow spot between 2 curves, 1 slip stitch. Now repeat this for the next curve as well. And when you're done, 1 slip stitch in this hollow spot. So the first 2 curves are the same. Now for the 3rd curve, we have 7 stitches. In the first one, 1 single crochet. The second one, 1 half double crochet. In the third one, 1 double crochet. In the 4th one, 2 treble crochet. And 3 chains, and 1 slip stitch, and 1 treble crochet. In the 5th one, 1 double crochet. In the 6th one, 1 half double crochet. And in the 7th one, 1 single crochet. Again, in this hollow spot between the curves, 1 slip stitch. Now the next 2 curves are the same again, and this is how they're done. In each of the first 2 stitches, 1 single crochet. In the third one, 1 half double crochet, and 3 chains, and 1 slip stitch, and 2 half double crochet. And in each of the next 4 stitches, 1 single crochet. and 1 slip stitch. Now repeat this one more time for the last curve. And at the end of the work, make 2 more slip stitches. So we have 5 curves. The first 2 are the same, the third one is different, and the last 2 are the same again.